Are you ready to transform your woodworking skills? In today's video, we'll discover simple projects that even a complete novice can master. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch to your home or simply want to explore a new hobby, these easy-to-follow projects will guide you step by step. So, grab your tools and let's embark on this creative journey together. Welcome to our woodworking channel. Are you ready to transform your woodworking skills? Today, we're diving into some incredibly simple projects that even a complete novice can master. Whether you're looking to create beautiful decor for your home or just want to explore a new hobby, these easy-to-follow ideas will help you build confidence and unleash your creativity. So grab your tools and let's get started on this woodworking journey together. Here are some woodworking project ideas that you can create using only a 2x4, which can be sold for profit. 1 wooden planter box. Description: a simple yet stylish planter box for indoor or outdoor use. Instructions: cut the 2x4 into 4 pieces for the sides and 1 for the bottom. Assemble using wood screws or nails, ensuring drainage holes are drilled in the bottom. Sand and finish as desired. 2. Rustic bookshelf. Description: a small rustic bookshelf that can fit in any room. Instructions: cut 2 vertical pieces and several horizontal shelves to your desired height and width. Assemble by attaching the shelves to the vertical pieces using screws. Optionally, add braces for stability or a back panel. 3. Simple bench. Description: a sturdy bench for entryways, gardens, or patios. Instructions: cut 3 pieces for the top, length depending on desired size, and 4 for the legs. Assemble the legs into a rectangular frame and attach the top. Sand and finish for a polished look. 4. Dog bed frame. Description: a raised dog bed frame for comfort and style. Instructions: cut pieces for the frame and legs. Assemble a rectangular frame and attach slats for support. Optional, paint or stain and add a cushion or mattress for comfort. 5-seater wood storage crate. Description: a versatile storage crate for organizing items. Instructions: cut pieces for the sides, bottom, and ends. Assemble using screws, ensuring to leave space for handles. Sand and finish as desired. 6. Wall-mounted coat rack. Description: a functional and decorative coat rack. Instructions: cut a long piece for the base and smaller pieces for hooks. Attach hooks, which can be purchased, to the base. Optionally, add a shelf on top for additional storage. 7. Serving tray. Description: a rustic serving tray perfect for entertaining. Instructions: cut pieces for the base and sides. Assemble to form a shallow box. Add handles, can be made from leftover wood, and sand for a smooth finish. 8. Kids' toy box. Description: a simple toy box for children's playrooms. Instructions: cut pieces for the sides, bottom, and lid. Assemble using screws and ensure the lid has a safety hinge. Decorate with paint or stencils for added appeal. Tips for selling: finish: sand and apply a finish, paint, or stain to enhance the appearance. Market: use platforms like Etsy, local craft fairs, or social media to promote your items. Customization: offer customization options, e.g., sizes, colors, to attract more buyers. These projects can be simple yet effective ways to utilize a 2x4, allowing you to create functional, attractive items that appeal to a wide audience. Here are more woodworking project ideas using only a 2x4 that you can create and sell. 9. Wooden step stool. Description: a sturdy step stool for reaching high places, perfect for kitchens or bathrooms. Instructions: cut 2 side pieces in a U shape for stability, and 2 pieces for the top. Assemble the top to the sides, and add a lower step if desired. Sand and finish for a polished look. 10. Garden trellis. Description: a decorative trellis for climbing plants. Instructions: cut pieces for vertical and horizontal slats. Assemble into a grid pattern and secure with screws. Optionally, paint or stain to match garden decor. 11. Wine rack. Description: a simple wine rack to hold bottles horizontally. Instructions: cut pieces for the base and vertical supports. Create holes or slots for the wine bottles. Assemble and sand for a smooth finish. 12. Wall art or sign. Description: rustic wall art or signs with quotes or designs. Instructions: cut the 2x4 into desired shapes, like rectangles or planks. Sand and paint, or use wood-burning techniques for designs. Add hooks or hangers for easy display. 13. Bed frame. Description: a simple bed frame for a twin or full-size mattress. Instructions: cut pieces for the frame, headboard and footboard. Assemble using screws and support slats for the mattress. Sand and finish to enhance appearance. 14. Outdoor picnic table. Description: a compact picnic table for outdoor dining. Instructions: cut pieces for the tabletop, legs and supports. Assemble using a simple design with benches on either side. Paint or stain for weather resistance. 15. Plant stand. Description: a multi-tiered plant stand for displaying houseplants. Instructions: cut pieces for vertical supports and horizontal shelves. Assemble in a tiered design for a stylish display. Sand and stain for a natural look. 16. Simple phone stand. Description: a small stand for phones or tablets perfect for desks. Instructions: cut a base and a support piece at an angle. Assemble and sand for a smooth finish. Optionally, personalize with paint or wood burning. 17. Birdhouse. Description: a simple birdhouse to attract backyard birds. Instructions: cut pieces for the base, sides, roof, and entrance hole. Assemble and ensure proper drainage and ventilation. Paint or stain to weatherproof. 18. Shoe rack. Description: a simple shoe rack for organizing footwear. Instructions: cut pieces for the top and shelves, horizontal slats. Assemble vertically or horizontally, depending on space. Sand and finish for durability. 19. Crate table. Description: a small side table made from a crate design. Instructions: cut pieces to form a crate shape. Assemble and add a top for a functional table. Sand and finish for a rustic look. 20. Kids table and chair set. Description: a simple table and chair set for children. Instructions: cut pieces for the table and chair legs, tops, and seats. Assemble using sturdy joints and ensure stability. Paint with bright colors for appeal. Selling tips. Quality: ensure all items are well made and finished, as quality can significantly impact sales. Market research: research local market needs and trends for woodworking projects. Photography: take high-quality photos of your projects for online listings or social media. Pricing: price your items competitively based on materials and time invested. Customization: offer customization options like sizes, colors, or personalized engravings to attract more customers. These additional projects can help expand your offerings and attract a wider audience, making your woodworking endeavors more profitable. Thank you for joining me as we explored a variety of woodworking projects that you can create using just a 2x4. From stylish planter boxes and rustic bookshelves to practical step stools and decorative wall art, the possibilities are truly endless. Each of these projects not only showcases your creativity and craftsmanship, but also has the potential to be sold for profit. Remember, the key to successful woodworking is not just in the projects themselves, but in the quality of your work and the care you put into each piece. So, whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, I encourage you to pick a project that inspires you, gather your materials, and get crafting. Don't forget to share your creations with others and consider how you can market them to reach a wider audience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more woodworking tips and ideas, and let us know in the comments which project you're excited to try. Happy woodworking, and I can't wait to see what you create.